Hey, what's up, everyone? Different kind of video today. Still a streaming tip, and so something that I highly recommend to all some streamers that are barely getting started out and don't really have, an idea of far as what kind of thing they want their profile to be, or just their overall channel and community to be. I kind of wanted to go for a little bit more of like a samurai Japan kind of, you know, theme. And so what I wanted to do is have, some samurai kind of stuff, but I didn't want to pay somebody to design it for me. And I'm not an artist. I can't design this stuff on my own. And so what I wanted to do, or I guess show you guys, is how I was able to make all these different, emojis and stuff like this, and, not having to pay anybody, like I said. And so what I used was this imagine.art website. I'll leave a link down in the description. But basically, this is just an AI that's going to design a lot of art for you. I use this theme right here, and I wanted to go for samurai theme. So if I want to do samurai, wave, whoops, wave emoji emote, um, and you could do something like this. It's going to give you 10 uses to where it makes the image relatively quick, and then after your 10, it'll start slowing them down. And so I mean, here's this one. It looks a lot like my other ones and stuff like that. So um, and then if you wanted a different color, you could do blue, and you might get it. It's AI, it's not perfect, and so it's gonna give you like just a relatively close. And so sometimes you just have to hit generate, generate, generate until you find something that you do like. And then once you do find something that you do like, what you're gonna want to do, if it'll load, sometimes it does take a little bit longer. So yeah, you get a little blue guy. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to hit download, and then I would recommend going into Canva and then hitting create design and then doing a custom size. For the profile, I believe with Kick, um, they wanted their avatar to be 128, 128. And then if you're also doing badges, or sorry, not badges, emotes, I believe they said that they wanted theirs, yeah, 500 by 500. So then you know what kind of pixels you need them to be. So if you 128 by 128, and then you just hit copy and paste. So if I go back to this, I don't think you can hit copy, but what you can do is go here and then download into there, set this guy up. Looks like they did put um, a watermark on it. That's interesting. I wonder if it's because I pulled it from there, because none of mine had watermarks. Uh, there's You can kind of do something like that, make it to where it's kind of hidden. You know what I mean? You might just have to figure out how you want to place it. Uh, as far as a free service, you really can't beat this one, especially because it has a ton of creative ideas that you don't, like I said, it's free and you don't have to pay somebody for. So yeah, that was this video. I have other tutorials, so feel free to check out the rest of those. I have Kick streaming tutorials, so I'll leave links to some of those videos in the bio. And you guys have a good rest of your day.